Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start our class. Take your social science book. Take your social science book. Unit 1 in history. Okay. Unit 1 in history. The previous class already have completed some portions in the unit 1. As I know, the unit 1 is evolution of humans and society prehistoric period. In the same lesson, we have seen the age of speculation. In that, what are the ages, the ancient, what are the ages they were followed, and what are the types of stones they were used. Okay, in the ancient period, they were the Paleolithic. Lithic means the stones. Okay, the people they used the stones as their stones. Okay, the age now we are in the modern age. Yes, now we use you are using the mobile. Example, I'll say you you are using the mobile. Yes, for online classes. You have to use the mobile for only the online classes. After the class finish, you have to keep the mobile far away from you. You should not touch that. So you have to use the mobile for only the online classes. Okay. So we use the mobile. We can whatever we need. We can watch from the mobile, like online classes also you watch from through the mobiles and laptop. In the ancient period, the people they were lived in the same places, and they had not any transportation. They had not any letter or mobile or anything, mail or anything. Okay, but they have used the different types of languages, and they were stayed in the different types of areas. So there's some people they have settled in the river areas, and some people they have settled in the forest areas, and they have cleaned some areas, and they did some different types of agriculture. Okay, let us see the different types of culture in this lesson. Got it? Have you opened your book, page number 4? Page number 4. Got it? Have you opened? Those who did not open your book. You should open your book. Have you opened, Joshia? Jagosi, have you opened your book? Okay. Before start the lesson, some of you have not written your homework neatly. You have to write your homework very neatly. You should not use any refill pen. You have to use only the ink pen. Already I have told you. Follow this. Okay, don't write ugly. You are studying 9th standard. You have to write very neatly. Got it? Don't write like pre-KG students. Write neatly and maintain the notes very safely. Cover it and label it. Okay, maintain it neatly. The first we are going to see prehistoric cultures. In the ancient people, what type of cultures they have followed. Let us see. The prehistoric period does not have evidence of writing, while the fossil bones are classified as various species such as Homo habilis, Homo erectus and Neanderthalis. Okay, based on the lithic tools, cultures are assigned names such as earliest lithic assemblages, older one technology, lower, middle and upper Paleolithic and Mesolithic culture. So there were different type of cultures. Okay, now we are in the modern culture. Yes, we use different types of cloths. In the ancient period, they used the skin of animals as their cloths. Okay, and they have worn that, and they have used the leaves of the plants as their cloths. Okay, but now we use the cotton cloth, synthetic cloth, and we use the modern dresses also. Is that no? But the ancient ancestors they have used the different type of dresses. They have used the different types of languages, as well as they have used the tools also different. Okay, in lithic means karkalam. Okay, so Paleolithic palaya karkalam, and Mesolithic idaipata karkalam, and the Neolithic, that is new stone age. Okay, new stone age means pudiya karkalam. So in Paleolithic there are there were two types, okay, lower Paleolithic, middle Paleolithic and upper Paleolithic. Okay, let us see about the Paleolithic culture. Before that, the earliest lithic assemblages of human ancestors. The earliest tools made by human ancestors are found in Lomki in Kenya. They are dated to 3.3 million years. Older one tools occur in the Olduvai Gorge in Africa. They are 2 to 2.6 million years old. The human ancestors used hammer stones and produced sharp edges flakes. The tools were used for cutting, slicing and processing food. So all the tools were used for the cutting purposes, okay, because they have to cut the animals, they have to cut the plants and all everywhere. In the home also we use your mother, they use the knife for all the purposes in the kitchen, is or no? And your father also sometimes he used the knife for cutting the wires and everything, is or no? So the sharp things we need, is or no? So the people in the ancient people, they used the tools, sharp tools, okay. These all recognized in the Lomki in Kenya, okay. And these all were made by the human ancestors, and these all were 2 to 2.6 million years old. It was old, very old. The human ancestors, the Australopithecines, already in the previous class we have seen Australopithecines. It was one of the ape, okay. So we all came from the ape family, okay. Used hammer stones and produced sharp edges flakes. The human ancestors, they have used the hammer stones and produced the sharp edges flakes. The tools were used for cutting, slicing and processing food. You see that all the edges are very sharp. Yes or no? These are some types of stones tools which are made by the ancestors. In our homes, surrounding also many different types of stones will be there. Have you seen that in the previous class we have seen in the geography, metamorphic rocks, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, many different types of rocks. From the rocks only we get the stones, okay. So from the stone we can make the stone as tools, but now we don't use the stone as tools, but the ancestors, Mudadayargal, they used the stones as tools. Paleolithic culture. See the picture. In that time, the Paleolithic, first starting, okay. In that time, the people, they used these type of stools, okay. These all made by the stones. The lower Paleolithic culture is marked by the human ancestors belonging to the species Homo habilis and Homo erectus. Homo habilis means the skilled person, Homo means man, and Homo erectus, okay. So these two types of species were there in the lower Paleolithic culture time, okay. The human ancestors flaked large stone blocks and designed various tools including hand axes, and these tools which are found in Africa, Asia, Europe, these all areas, these types of tools were founded, okay. Hand axes were founded in Africa, Asia and Europe. Got it? About 1.8 million years old. Okay. Some types of tools were used in the lower Paleolithic culture time. Okay. The first one is Acheulean. These types of tools were first hand axes recognized at a place called Saint-Acheulean in France. Okay. This place was in France. So in that place this tool was found. So it was called Acheulean tools. Okay, the picture is given. See the picture in the right side. The right side, the only one stone is there. That is the picture of Acheulean picture. Okay, you see there. The stone is different. Yes or no? They have made like this. They used the Acheulean stones. Okay, and the bifaces. Bi means two. Both side we can use. Or tools that have flaking on both sides. Both sides we have to use. We can use both sides for cutting everything. Okay. So this type of tools are called bifaces, and Acheulean tools also picture is given. The human ancestors perhaps did not possess complex languages skills as we have now, they might have voiced a few sounds or words and possibly used sign language. Already I have told you, they might have voiced a few seconds. Only voice. They used the sound, okay, or words, and possibly used sign language. Only இந்த sign language means what? சைகை காட்டுறது, only ஏதாவது சவுண்ட் கொடுக்கறது, அப்படிதான் அதை தான் அவங்க லாங்குவேஜாக வச்சுருந்தாங்க. நவ் we know English, Hindi, Tamil, everything we know many types of languages, but in the ancestors they used their voice and they used the sign language. Okay, they were intelligent enough to select stones as raw materials. So raw material means already geography lesson we have seen what are the raw materials. So in the ancestors they used the stones as their raw materials to make all the tools. Okay, the hammer stones to carefully flake the rocks and design tools for their needs. So the hammer stones, they were used to make the tools, design tools for their everyday needs. Okay, raw material is the naturally available stone block or pebbles. Pebbles means கூழாங்கற்கள், selected by humans for making tools. So the ancestors they have used the different types of stones. Okay, pebbles means the கூழாங்கற்கள். We can see the pebbles in the river areas. Is an or stream area. If you see there, the shining stones will be there. They are called the pebbles. Okay, so these all were selected by the humans for making tools. Then core is the main block of stone from which small chips are flaked by using a hammer stone, and flake is a small chip removed from a large stone block called the core. Got it? So flake means that is a small chip which is removed from the core. So core is the biggest one. Okay, from that flake is removed. Then the next one is middle Paleolithic culture. Lower Paleolithic culture we have seen. Next, middle Paleolithic culture. In that time the people they used this type of tools. You see the picture, it was different from the Acheulean tools and bifaces. Is that no? Acheulean tools and bifaces tools were different from this. After about 3,98,000 years ago, further changes took place in the lithic technology in Africa. Okay, Paleolithic culture was there after 3,98 years ago. You see that how many years ago lithic technology was made in Africa. The Homo erectus species existed during this period. So in the lower Paleolithic time, Homo erectus and Homo habilis were there. Is that no? So in middle Paleolithic, the Homo erectus species were existed in during this period. Then Levalloisian. Okay, Levalloisian means these tools, that is one of the tool type. Okay, these tools are the implements made after preparing the core. It was named after the town of Levallois in France. So it was called Levalloisian. Okay, Ice Age. When it was Ice Age, the period before 8000 BC, when many parts of the world remained covered by ice sheets and snow. So most of the area in world, most of the area covered by the ice sheets. So at that time it was called Ice Age. Okay, it was happened in the middle Paleolithic time. Okay, middle Paleolithic time. So Levalloisian means that is one of the tool type. Okay, which this was made by the core. You see that the Levalloisian tools were given white in color. Mesolithic culture. Mesolithic period is known as the Middle Stone Age. Nadupagadi. Okay, as it placed between the Paleolithic and Neolithic periods. So in between the Paleolithic and Neolithic periods, what were there? The Middle Stone Age, which is called the Mesolithic period. The people mainly used microlithics. Micro means, lith means stone. Micro means very small stone. Okay, the people they used the small stone tools during this period. These people were hunter gatherer. என்ன செஞ்சாங்க? வேட்டையாடி உணவெல்லாம் என்ன செஞ்சாங்க? சேமிச்சாங்க. Microliths are stone artifacts of small size. Microliths means what? Very small stones. Got it? So in the Mesolithic culture time, the people, they were the hunter gatherer. Got it?